Alright. The day is young. I'm in a bad mood. I don't know why. I think it's because I stayed up too late and I had a bad dream. It's just a bad dream, not like a nightmare, like, oh no, the boogie monster. No, I'm talking about just like a life bad dream. And then, well, one thing I'm excited about right now would be getting my truck back. That's what I'm driving to do. I'm out of these small rental cars and I'm back to my nice truck. Nice good truck, Ram 1500 that has a V8 and likes to guzzle gas. But you know what? It's well worth it. So, I was excited, but then I don't know what, but like yesterday and then I got today, I'm just in a bad mood. I'm just in a horribly bad mood, and it's like hysterical bad. And then, and I'm just going to get my truck. Nothing too exciting. Nothing at all. Yeah, that's it. I have nothing else for you guys. Bye, guys. Okay. Hey, everybody. Look at that. Oh, shit. I got my truck back. I got it back. I got it back. It's fixed. Oh God. Look at that sexy puppy. Got the ram box on the side and everything. Now I gotta start up my motorcycle now. It hasn't been ran in like a week and it's been fucking freezing here in Ohio, so I don't know if you guys know that, but we shall see, my friends. We shall see how well. It's gonna take me like a good 5 minutes to start this bitch up, but there's my helmet. My riding jacket. That's all the stuff that's supposed to be. That's the extender for my truck. All the stuff's supposed to be in my truck right now. I have to put it back in there. All my fishing gear and shit like that. Get away from my land! Alright. That's all I wanted to show you. Say hello.
Hi.
Look at that towel.
Do you mind?
Maybe. You can get up? We finally go to Steak and Shake now?
Yes.
Let's go then. Come on. Get up. Get it. Come on. Just kidding. Come on. Get off of iPhone. Right now. Come on. Hold my hand. That's not holding it. Come on. Get up. There we go. There we go.
Oh, shoot.
Don't step on your own stuff. Are you hungry?
I'm starving.
All right.
I feel like I haven't eaten a legit
What are you looking forward to at Steak and Shake?
What I always get?
What is that?
Guacamole burger. The sweet tea.
It looks like you're guilty of something. What's wrong with you?
I don't get it for anything. I'm guilty of being hungry.
I am too. So, thought you'd take the towel off your head. That sounded like a racist joke. And let's
My hair's still wet.
let it dry in the cold air of outside Ohio. Okay.
That's dumb.
It's not dumb. It's perfectly normal. It's okay. I'll just film myself since you're all nervous.
Thanks.
Now take that stuff out of your hair. Oh, I got it. I got it. She was yawning. Alright, put that thing back down. Come on, let's go. Get her done. Just get her done. Just get her done. Got it. Look at that hair. Oh my god. Look at that hair.
So wet.
Just so much of it. It's just.
Chop it all off.
Here, I'll take that. It's alright. Say goodbye and I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
Smile. I can't see your face.
I lose my turn.
You lose your turn? It's her and the black guy.
I know.
What? A black guy?
Six.
Just
Where
kidding.
am I? 1, 2, 3, 4,
4, 5, 6, 7.
Crap.
Damn it!
What'd she get? Did she get the piece I was after? Hold on, what piece did she get?
Can't tell you.
That's I saw it. It's on the other end of the board there. Where I can. She's the little green one. That I just want to murder.
No,
I just want to murder
it's your
it.
turn, Mr. Murderer.
Well, you know what? It's not focusing on your green thing. It's 6. Ha! Which one is 6? Where am I? I'm at the store. I'm at the stove. I want to go. That's the only way I can go, can't I? I don't want to go to another stove.
Yes, you do.
Okay.
Again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah.
Why in the hell would I go there?
Because you can roll again.
But the thing is, I'd land on that one place. That's horrible. You guys are bad at this. Alright, I'm just gonna go to the empty spot. The corner. Give me the stuck. Give me the corner.
What's an
The corner!
Over here?
Yeah! That one. 1, 2, 3. The corner.
That's not the corner.
That's a corner. That is on a corner. That is like Broadway corner.
Your turn.
Don't give me that look.
4. Okay.
Understand?
1, 2, 3, 4.
You understand?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Watching you.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, what we can do...
Wow. There's not even a flash on this damn thing.
Kinda made our own.
Babe, do you want to do teams of 2?
Gaby, there's not even a
3
flash on the
people
video.
total? That, like, you
Oh.
want to be with Emily?
That sucks.
And then
Good day,
Lucille?
Bodie.
What about you?
Dun dun bam.
She's never
Okay.
played, so then you can kind of explain.
There.
They've never played, so...
There is no flash.
I just don't want to break them up, you know what I mean?
I'm gonna try to figure this out.
Doesn't matter.
If you want to do that,
Figure this
that might be
out.
better the first time we play through.
Nothing. Nothing. Babe, what are you doing?
Two separate pieces or just one piece?
Stop cleaning. You're showing your womanly stuff off.
And then go collect. That might be...
That'll make it go
Is it
All
the
right.
kind of game where, like,
You...
the first couple rounds I could, like, sort of be on a team?
Where's my
Like,
Di
okay,
Serono?
be on my own?